Hi, I'm Preetisha. I'm integrated nutrition health coach, also certified in nutrition and cancer. Cancer is a scary word. It is quite complicated to understand why one gets cancer. But the best part is, according to WHO, around 30 to 50% of cancer are preventable by modifying or avoiding risk factors. And when we talk about cancer, prevention is the best strategy that one can adopt. Let's discuss 10 factors which can help modifying or preventing cancer cases. First factor is maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity is attached with many chronic ailments, and obesity is one of the reasons which is strongly attached with cancer. So maintaining a healthy weight is essential when we talk about cancer prevention. So one need to make sure that they don't accumulate too much of fat, but it is also important to see where you are accumulating fat. So if you are accumulating fat around the belly region, it is more risky. However, this is not applicable for kids if kids are having a healthy weight or some fat that will help them prevent from cancer. Second point is be physically active. We all know how exercise is important to avoid all chronic ailments. Do whatever is suiting to your schedule. Start yoga or strength training, and if you are not able to find out time, just make sure that you walk enough steps. Fourth point is to consume balanced diet. When we talk about cancer prevention, it is more important that we eat variety of whole grains, vegetables, fruits, healthy fat. When we talk about cancer prevention, it is not only one fruit or one vegetable which is a superfood which can help you prevent cancer. When diet or when food is consumed in variety and all the fruits, vegetables, whole grains are consumed, it is more helpful. Fourth point is little tricky to manage consuming less fast foods. Fast food are tasty, yummy, easily available, convenient and cheap as well. But fast foods can increase risk of cancer, so it is best to avoid as much as possible. Fifth point is to limit or reduce consumption of red meat. Red meat is associated with cancer risk, so it is important to avoid it. Now, it is very difficult for people to avoid red meat altogether. So there are few tips. You can start eating or reducing portion of red meat. If you consume between 350 gram to 500 gram red meat per week, it is all right. You can also swap red meat with white meat. So consume chicken, fish or turkey. That should help. Sixth point is to limit sugar sweetened drinks. We all know that sugar is harmful for our bodies in many ways. So reducing sugar sweetened drinks will help. So reduce all kind of soda. Also, do not consume too much of fruit juices. In fruit juices, there is loads of sugar, but we usually see that as a healthy drink, so we miss that part. So eating a fruit instead of fruit juices will definitely help you. Seventh point is limiting consumption of alcohol. Now when we talk about alcohol, nothing is safe. If you talk about beer, wine or scotch, everything is harmful for our body because it is the ethanol which is harmful for our body. And when we combine smoking with alcohol, it increases risk more than just by consuming alcohol or smoking individually. This point might be the hardest, but it increases lot of risk. So if you want to really prevent cancer, then work on it. Eighth point might surprise you, that says do not use supplements for cancer prevention. Yes, we feel that if fruits, vegetables, whole grain help by antioxidant, why can't we just pop supplements and prevent cancer? But according to various studies, it was seen that when a particular dose of vitamin or mineral was given in excess, that was harming body in adverse manner because it was turning into a toxic material. So it is alright to consume supplements to take care of vitamin deficiency, but it is not alright to just pop supplement and do not care for diet. It is best when we eat balanced diet and prevent cancer. Ninth point is to breastfeed your baby. Lactation decreases risk of breast cancer, and more number of months if a woman is breastfeeding the baby, lower the risk of cancer. Breastfeeding reduces number of menstrual cycles, that reduces sex hormones, and that is decreasing risk of breast cancer. The last point is for the people who are diagnosed with cancer or cancer survivors. They need to follow all those 9 points to reduce risk of cancer. Now apart from this 10, staying in sun and not smoking is also important to reduce risk of cancer. Follow this. I hope this helps you. Thank you.